Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your headphone jack or your earphone jack is not working, how you can solve it in your device vivo Y33T. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video, I will tell if your headphone jack or your earphone jack of your device vivo Y33T is not working, how you can solve it. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve the problem of earphones. Let's watch the video.